Hello friends, welcome back to Laravel tutorial. We are discussing about some array tricks, right? So in this video we are going to discuss about how to sort array, how to sort array by descending order, ascending order. We will do all things in this video. So let's create array. Suppose my array is array, okay? And let's create some value. So I am going to create first indexed array. Suppose desk, table, chair, okay? So some things I am writing, this is the index array, okay? Now I am going to sort this array by ascending order, okay? So let's print this first. So let's see how it's coming. So let's print r. Now just refresh this, you are getting the desk, table and chair. I want to sort this array ascending order. So how we going to do this? So we have a Laravel array functions. So to use the array function, we need to use the illuminate support array, and here I just simply write, I am just going to create another variable like sorted array, okay? And let's use the array function. So we are using arr array function to use array. We are using these things so that I can use that things, and the function name is simple sort, okay? And let's pass the array name which you want to sort, okay? And last, just print the same things. So simply just write print r and the array name, that is the sorted array, okay? Now just go and refresh. Let's see the ordering, okay? So first we have an array like desk, table, chair. Now this array became sorted with ascending order, and you can see the array became the chair, desk, table, okay? The important thing is, if you use the sort, then you can check the key is not changed. So the desk position was 0. Now the same position we are getting the desk 0, but the order of the array is changed. So this is the simple array, that is the ascending order. If you want to do the same thing, and if you want to get that things into descending order, so simply instead of sort, just use desc, sort descending. So refresh this, we are getting these things into the descending order. So this was a normal array. Now I am going to create these things. Suppose my array is like a multi-dimensional array, so that time how we can handle, that time how we can sort. So simply let's close these things and let's create a multi-dimensional array, okay? Suppose here my array name is multi-dimensional array, okay? So simply short form, I just write these things and array, okay? And inside the array we have multiple array like that. Suppose array, and here just simply write name equal to the desk. So I just writing the same things, name desk, and let's copy these things, and here just write table and chair, okay? So let's see how this array coming. So simply write print r and just pass the array, that is the multi-dimensional array, and let's see. So refresh this, we are getting this is the multi-dimensional array, means inside the array we have an array, okay? Now I am to sort that thing. So how we can do this? So for that we can pass any closure function. So using the closure we can access that things, okay? So simply just create another variable like sorted array, and just do the and just use the closure functions, and before that I just taking the array values and just passing the array sort function, okay? So simply write array sort and just pass the array. So here my array name is multi-dimensional array, and here I just going to create the closure, okay? And I'm just taking all the values, okay, and just complete the function. So here I just returning the value, okay, and I will get the value inside the name, so value name. Okay, now if I just check these things and just going to print the sorted array, so it will looks as a sorted. Okay, so printer sorted array, dollar sorted array. Okay, now let's check. So my array is like that, and if you refresh, so call to undefined function array values. So simply actually this will be a sort from, it will be the array values, and I am just passing these things into the values. Sorry, another mistake. So let's value, and we are using that value inside here. Okay, so let's refresh this. So we have these array functions like a desk, table, chair. Now it's sorted. Okay, so we can sort multi-dimensional array using this concept. Okay, so we are getting all the things, and this is the multi-dimensional array. Okay, now this is the ascending order sorting. If you want to sort with descending order, simply write DESC here, and you will get the order with the descending. Okay, so easily we can sort simple array or multi-dimensional array easily. Okay, so hope you can understand. Now the another things, suppose if I want to sort recursively, right? So means you have a multi-dimensional array, and inside the multi-dimensional array we have an element, and I want to sort that thing. So how we can do this, right? So simply close these things and just create a multi-dimensional array again. So here I just creating a multi-dimensional array, and let's inside the array we will have an array. So simply write array, and my array looks like suppose David and John, then just refresh, I am just writing Rick. Okay, so this is my first array. Okay, this is associative array, and I am just going to create another associative array, sorry, another indexed array. So simply write anything, suppose English, then history, then computer. Okay, and I want to create another array which will be the associative array, means this will work recursively with all types of array. Means suppose I just write 1 and simply write 1, and then write 2. So this is the key and this is the value. Okay, in this way, and let's take another 3, and this is the 3. So this is my multi-dimensional array. So let's print that thing. So first see how it's appearing. Okay, so just write here multi-dimensional array, and let's refresh. Okay, so this is the array, and inside the array we have array, and inside the array we have 3 elements. So I want to sort each and everything recursively from that multi-dimensional array. So how we can do this? So simply just create a sorted array equal to I am using the array function, so array helper. So simply write sort recursive, RECURSIVE. Okay, and just pass the array. So my array is multi-dimensional array, that is the mul array. Okay, and let's print that things, print R, and simply write sorted array, and let's see the magic. Okay, so we have array like this, that is the John, Rick, David. Okay, so you can see the things. Okay, so the first things, these are sorted, and you can see inside the array the value also sorted, means the C is coming first, that the reason this array is coming first, and then inside this, so CEH, that is the ascending order of the value, and after that we are getting 1 2 3, and then David, John, Rick. So all are sorted recursively from a multi-dimensional array. So this is the cool things. Okay, suppose if you want to sort ascending order, you can use sort, you can use that sort function into the closure functions, you can use the sortDesc to sort descending order. Also you can pass the same things into the closure function. and if you want to sort recursively, then also you can use that things. Okay, so hope you can understand, and still if you have any confusion about this video, please comment me, and next day we are going to discuss about another interesting tricks on array. So please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.